Alright, so I just got home and just wait for me. This is for that. So the whole setup. I don't even need the suspension, the shocks and shit. But I'm just gonna take these brake lines off because I have the other ones, and we should be all good. I would not try this at home. Here's the stock ones. I have no idea what size they are. And here's the aftermarket ones. The aftermarket ones are a 1/2 inch. So this hole is getting drilled. This one's already drilled a little bit, but it's just a tad too big. I wouldn't recommend this. It's probably just order new bushings and whatnot. But I'm just gonna see if it works. Shout out to my neighbor for the oil. I didn't think of this at all. Then again, never said I know what I'm doing. Boom, nice and tight. Boom, nice and tight. Woo, these risers are going on. I need to clean all this up. Damn, it's still hot. Got the oil, and I think I have a splinter in my toe. Yep, a sliver of metal. Went in my shoe. Now, I don't know too much, but common sense tells me not to tighten these down all the way yet until I have the bar set and everything else. Here they are. 5.5 inch risers with the new bars. I know the risers and the bars. I know the bars are like your basic, you know, risers or whatever. I couldn't find any I liked for this bike. I don't even really like these, but they'll work for now. And these bars I know were listed for a 4-wheeler, but they're the same diameter, which is 7/8 or 22 millimeter. So they seem to look alright. I still gotta put the fairing on permanently. I want to, since there's no frame here, I want to put on, basically build the rest of the frame to, I believe, these mounts, or I'm gonna have to do some more research so I can put highway crash bars, whatever you want to call them, the crash bars along the bottom, because this thing definitely will be laid down numerous times. So here's that. I think I'm gonna need to just get a whole new headlight. This one's kind of ticking me off. But these actually fit. I don't know if you can see that. It's actually fit right, not even touching the gauge. The gauge is pretty tight, which is kind of nice. Thought I was gonna have to get a smaller gauge or something, or put it down here or something else. But there it is. And like I said, the Mark IV's rear dead axle beam, whatever you call it, showed up today. Shout out to Pascal Auto Recycling and Export in Hudson, Florida. I delivered this. And then there is the Mark IV that desperately needs attention and a rear end. So I'm gonna get tomorrow is 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Probably see this after anyway. I'm gonna try and get that done if it's not raining. I was gonna try and get the car in the garage, but I still have too much crap in here. And I was gonna get like that one wheel dolly thing. I ain't gonna bother. I know you've been scared of the thunder. Where you go? You going in your closet again? What? 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 Hi. Hi.